day, teachers. I want to talk about the snipping tool right now. The snipping tool is an awesome little tool that is on your teacher workstation, desktop machine, the Windows-based machine that you have in your classroom. And it's a tool that you might find super handy. So first, let me show you how to find the tool. You can click on these flying windows down here, or you can use the flying windows key on your keyboard. Once you're on the purple Dynamics tile screen, start typing the words snipping tool. And you'll see I didn't have to type very much and it came right up. I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to pin it to my taskbar so I can find it easily in the future. And now I'm just going to switch right back to my desktop view. And so let me show you what this cool little tool lets you do. Let's say we are on a web page and you'd really like to show your students this picture of this giant spider crab, but you don't want all this junk over here on the side. So you can make a snip of the crab. So you're going to launch the snipping tool down here. And let me drag that to where you can see it a little bit better. Right there. And you're going to click the button that says New Snip. There are some choices on your shapes right here that you can look into later. So I'm going to click New Snip. And it's going to turn my screen that hazy shade of white. I'm just going to start at one corner of my crab and drag that box over. And now I have my spider crab. This button right here will allow me to copy that picture, and now I can paste that picture just about anywhere. So let me minimize that and show you that I can go onto a slide and right click and paste my crab onto the slide. I can paste it onto a notebook file. If you're using Smart Notebook, I can paste it in a Word doc. I can paste it in a Google Doc. You can use it in pretty much anything. The other thing that this could be useful for is something like this, where you have a PDF and you want to maybe use part of it. So you can get your snipping tool out. We can go New Snip. And we can just cut that word out just like so, copy it, and go back to our slideshow and right click and paste that into our slideshow. So this gives you the option then of making a clickable and draggable something that you could use for a word sort for your students to be able to use on a Chromebook. And that's how to use the snipping tool. Thanks.